Hi, Andy from Ducting Express here. Today we're going to show you how to fit a curved access door to some spiral ducting. We're going to need a few items for this. Maybe a grinder, jigsaw, a battery drill, maybe some tin snips. What I prefer to do, I prefer to use the jigsaw, which is a lot neater cut. So firstly, when you get your access door, it comes with a sticker like this. You're going to try and stick it on the ducting in between these ribs here, so it's easier to cut. So just before we do that, take a battery drill, just insert a little hole on the edge of the sticker there. Then get your jigsaw and cut around the edge of this sticker. I like saying Blue Peter, here's one I made earlier. So once you've cut around that and took that out, I've got the access door itself. So we're just going to slot that in here, like so. Just ensure it's nice and tight. Once you've got that on there, tighten these little hand wheels, ensuring that all your gasket and there's no leaks and from around there, and that's how you fit an access door to some spiral ducting.